I'm not big on fighting these days, but I don't call the cops. And I'm not big on scrapping lately. When I start, I don't stop. I just need one more person to hate me, top that top. One more problem might make me kill them all. I'm a heartbreaker, kicker, I'm a hot trigger, nasty words. I got two fingers for kissers. I'm a dirtbag, no good bastard. Look, it's no more Mr. Nice Guy, so go ahead and get mad. I'll show you how easy I turn a tough guy to a dead man. I ain't your buddy, haters are obsessed fans. If we were buddies, trust I'd crack a bud just like a red can. Bedpan full of piss and vinegar. Head scan said that I'm not crazy, but I'm similar. Let's dance, lead hands, homie, you get slapped fast. Trust me, you're a midget, I'm a monster. Every slap I throw's a finisher. I just need one more person to hate me, top that top. One more problem might make me kill them all. I'm a heartbreaker, kicker, I'm a hot trigger, nasty words. I got two fingers for kissers. I'm a dirtbag, no good bastard.
To a crackhead, you must love getting rocked. Take your door off with a flat head and take everything that you got. Hey, whoa, don't make me put in my purse. We don't need Gucci on curbs. You think you bet I'm the worst in your family to church, so baby, don't get on my nerves. Like, I don't know about these, all I know is how we go. We're non-stop, we're reload. If you talking, I see ghosts. You groupie, baby, I'm different. Think you know hell? Well, I'll show you it. I was born in hell, devil knows me well. I'll return with a list like Moses did.
I just need one more person to hate me, top that top. One more problem might make me kill them all. I'm a heartbreaker, kicker, I'm a hot trigger, nasty words. I got two fingers for kissers. I'm a dirtbag, no good bastard.
I don't call for backup, keep those comments to yourself. Bunch of cops call them afraid to handle themselves. We was raised by the wolves, we ain't afraid to bleed, it helps. Sort the men from the boys, the have-nots from the wealth. With God as my witness, I'll leave you where you stand. If you flex, that's your death, we do it more than throwing hands. You better give me 6 feet when I come through back up. Guaranteed to leave you bleeding if you make me back this truck up.
I just need one more person to hate me, top